Star Trek: Discovery beamed down to the surface of New York Comic-Con to reveal a new trailer for Season 2, as well as the January 17, 2019 premiere date of the CBS All Access series. Fans also saw the first look at Ethan Peck as the iconic character of Spock, with a beard. Executive producer Alex Kurtzman unveiled the trailer and the premiere date during a Nick panel at Madison Square Garden.
In addition, the trailer was filled with other first looks, including Number 1, played by Rebecca Romijn, and Section 31's newest recruit, Philip Georgiou, a role reprised by Michelle Yeoh. The panel was moderated by Romijn and featured Sonequa Martin-Green, Commander Michael Burnham, Doug Jones, Commander Saru, Shazad Latif, Ash Tyler, Mary Wiseman, Ensign Sylvia Tilly, Anthony Rapp, Lieutenant Commander Paul Stamets, Michelle Yeoh, Philippa Georgiou, Wilson Cruz, Drive,
Hugh Culber, Mary Kifo, Laurel, Anson Mount, Captain Christopher Pike, and Ethan Peck, Spock. They were joined by executive producers Kurtzman and Heather Cotton. During the panel, Brett Kavanaugh was confirmed as Supreme Court Justice. Not wanting to avoid the topic, they simply encouraged everyone to go out and vote during the November midterm elections. After the January
17, 2019 premiere of Season 2, Star Trek: Discovery, the 13 episodes will be available on demand weekly on Thursdays on CBS All Access.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.